All right, guys, enjoy this background noise, but we got to take care of this fender real quick. Let's go ahead and do that while we have the time now. Using the camera because my phone's been dead all day long, you know. Supercharger broke, so I'm using a little regular base charger. Anyway, it's besides the point. You see all these little bolts right here? This is exactly what we're going to take care of right now. So I got my extendo using an electrical ratchet because this is all metal or aluminum parts or whatever. So you don't got to worry about stripping any plastic, you know, right here. So let's get to it. I'm going to set the camera down. I already took the headlight out because I feel like it's going to be easier for me to access some of these bolts like this one right here. Right there. We get that one. Look at that one. Headlight was covering that up. And then there's some in there too. So we're probably going to have to take the fender liner out and whatnot. But yeah, let's get to it. Alright, so I already took these off. These little plastic little pieces right here. These hiding in here are next. Look at those right there, just hiding right there, chilling. Let me get those off real quick. It's not on there. Okay. Hold on a second. Let me go ahead and make sure it's the right size. Yep. And just get off a little bit. Yeah, it's the right side. Just being stupid, that's all. Just doesn't want to fucking. Yeah. I'm being lazy. I don't want to take the whole plastic side skirt thing off. Fuck that. Fuck that. Let me see. Okay, that hurts. There we go. Hell nah. Oh, not even close. Didn't even get it halfway out. Oh yeah, it is halfway out. You know what? Come on. Just keep getting that. Get out. All right, there we go. All right, so I'm just kind of pulling on it. See, we got all these taken off right here. All these. There's one right there, one right there. There's also one deep in there. There's one like in there I gotta get to. And then we got the one off of there, got those two down there. Probably gonna have to pull the trunk liner off real quick. I think there's one hiding in there somewhere. I just can't see it. Let me see. We'll figure it out in a second though. All right, so this is pretty much the end result of this new eBay Motors fender right here on the passenger side of this car. It's got some gaps that I will fix. Of course, you can adjust it. Obviously, you can scoot it over right there. See these little, you can adjust the gaps if you want to and whatnot. And I will obviously do that. There's some clips that are broken down here, of course, so it's not really secure enough on the front side of this bumper. Look at that, golly, like a nice little chunk out of the car. And but yeah, not bad. It looks like it's a little bit of a taller fender because it comes higher than the hood right here. When you close the hood, it comes higher than the hood for some reason. But it's all good though. You know, I'm just kind of wiggling it around, making sure. Look, that's a pretty big gap right there. But yeah, I went ahead and put on the fender. I'm gonna leave that part right there that holds the headlights on for later. I'll let them actually paint that so it looks better. But I went ahead and decided to put the fender on because they just insist on having the car with them. I don't like to leave my car behind. I just wanted to leave like the actual parts. But they're like, oh no, we need the car so we can blend the paint and all kind of stupid crap like that. I'm like, all right, whatever, fine. So I'll just go ahead and you know, put this part on, and then I'll save this part, which is right over here. I got it right over here with me. Bam, that's that piece right there. It's the part that holds the headlights on that I'm talking about. Got that taken care of. We also have the bumper too. I think I have the bumper. I think I have the right one because it's like, it's a flexible bumper cover. So I don't think it's what I'm looking for. I need the actual bumper for this car because it's a nice little chunk taken out of it right there. Maybe I can plastic weld it. I don't know. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. As if it was a how-to video. If you need to know how to do it, all you do is just trace the entire fender, right, and then take off every single bolt. You're gonna have to do some wiggling, prying, and whatnot. Like this little bracket right here, this colored bracket, I had to put a screwdriver in there and kind of bend it up a little bit so I can wiggle the fender out. But either way, though, you know, everything worked out just fine. Of course, you have to make sure you keep everything that falls out of place, like these little clips right here. You got to make sure you hold on to those so you don't lose them and you actually put your bolts back and whatnot. So yeah, I still got a few little bolts to go and everything like that, but just wanted to go ahead and record this real quick because it's getting pretty dark out here. But yeah, at least it's not all crunched up in front. Where's the old one at? It's oh, right here, chilling right here on the ground. But yeah, there you go. That one's done for, man. Wish I could just swap the color right now, but yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned. Gonna keep working on this build, of course, and that's a build. I call it a build. But yeah, pretty much the build, and that's it.